Hello ladies and gents, video today regarding the origins of water. Now, as recently as 2014, I was just looking at an article from the ever trustworthy BBC, and I'll just read through it. Rosetta results. Comets did not bring water to Earth. Scientists have dealt a blow to the theory that most water on Earth came from comets. Results from Europe's Rosetta mission, which made history by landing on comet 67P in November, yeah right, shows the water on the icy mass is unlike that on our planet. The results are published in the journal Science. The authors conclude it is more likely that the water came from asteroids, but other scientists say more data is needed before comets can be ruled out. So, despite what the BBC are claiming there has been a relatively new discovery in 2014. I shall read it out. Scientists have published the first direct evidence of a massive reservoir of water, 3 times the size of Earth's oceans, located hundreds of miles underneath the surface of the planet. The discovery could explain exactly why the Earth is so habitable, with scientists suggesting that this underground store of water, which is trapped in minerals, has acted as a buffer, keeping the Earth's oceans at roughly the same level for hundreds of millions of years. Well, yeah, whatever. The new study, published in the Journal of Science by Northwestern geophysicist Steve Jacobson and University of New Mexico seismologist Brandon Schmant, could also shed new light on the inner mechanics of our planet. Geological processes on the Earth's surface, such as earthquakes or erupting volcanoes, are an expression of what is going on inside the Earth out of our sight, said co-author Jacobson. I think we are finally seeing evidence for a whole Earth water cycle, which may help explain the vast amount of liquid on the surface of our habitable planet. Scientists have been looking for this missing deep water for decades. Now, if you believe the Bible, then you realise that the masses of water we have on the planet came from... Did I just say planet? Sorry about that. The masses of water we have here on Earth came from the windows of heaven being opened, because space is water, and also the fountains of the great deep were broken up. So huge volumes of water came from underneath. Now that water has been discovered, and it's been discovered in a mineral called ringwoodite. And here is where things start to get very, very interesting. We can see that this water, which is bound up in rock, so there's water underground, but it's bound up in rock. So let's have a look at Job from the Bible. We are talking about creation here. This is what the book of Job, or a large portion, is. Where was thou when I laid the foundations of the earth? Declare if thou hast understanding. So we're talking about creation here. Now let's have a look at Job 38:30. The waters are hid as with a stone, and the face of the deep is frozen. Now I'll read that again. The waters are hid as with a stone. Ladies and gentlemen, more confirmation, absolute truth from the Bible. Thanks for watching.